Hey, Dick, could I go in front of you?
Yeah.
I don't want to film you. I don't want to do that. Ooh, this is the Amtrak 2 car. Ah, this is sweet. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Look at this. The Amtrak 2 coach and lounge cars. They were built in 1980 for long distance. Ah, wow, that's nice. Awesome. Let's go see. Look at that. Sleeper.
Oh, this is fun.
Yeah. Look at this.
We should do this one time.
Oh no, we would go down to Florida. Yeah, we really should go to Florida, Dad. That would be very nice if we did that.
Sweat.
Look at this.
Oh.
Well, I'm sorry about that, guys.
That's for a gang.
Look at this. Come here. Hey, Dad, come here. I want to show you something. Look at this.
You would like that, wouldn't you?
Oh, yeah. I would have slipped right down here. You'd be on top. Dude, look. I swear to God, this is awesome. I love these sleeping cars are very nice.
Okay, come on.
Yeah, hold on. Excuse me. Oh, my.
Just like Chicago, they need more service from there. And we are saying the following, because I've been bugging for you, and bring back the Broadway look. Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, look. Look at this. Oh, this is the baggage car. This is the new baggage car that they ordered. This is nice. Wow. Take a load of this. Oh my God. Hold on. This looks freaking cool, dude. Oh, wow. Look, all the bikes. Look, look at all this. This is all for the bikes and everything, dude. Huh. Hold on. I want to take a picture. Sorry if I accidentally get you in. Sorry. Oh, this is sweet. Oh my God.
This is where you can put all your lights and stuff.
Yeah. Look at this.
You put all these things down, there isn't that much room here.
Yeah. These are bigger than the old Heritage cars, actually.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Let's see where the heck are we? Huh? Dude, this is the theater car. It's one of their office cars.
How often do they use this? Huh?
I don't know, to be honest. I'm actually on the track car. So I'm in the middle of the night, I'm not bored of this one.
Hold on, Dad. Wait. Yeah, this is their business car, one of their business car fleet that they have.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's gonna go down here anyways. That's alright. Go right ahead. Look, it even has a camera and everything. Look. Oh, that's sweet.
Right, that's pretty cool.
Wow. This is sweet.
Yep.
I love this.
Is this the car that all the executives get to ride in?
It's one of our inspection cars. Yep.
Look at that, LP 45 on the New Jersey Transit train. Wow. Ah, this is sweet. Yeah, right? Yeah, this is. I've never been in this car before. This is very nice. And I've never been inside of a Beeline or 2 baggage car. Oh, that's nice. It's better than their old Heritage cars. They're more bigger, actually.
Yeah, they can hang bikes on the side
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, I love it.
And then we're going to have Beeline or 2 diners as well. That'll be out.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully by the end of the year, possibly.
Yeah, that's what they're saying.
Mm-hmm.
I just discovered something. New Jersey Transit runs through Philly.
At all.
I agree. That's funny about Amtrak because Super John Republic keeps shortchanging you guys. You guys always got to be creative with like what you guys have. Something creative.
Already been on top. Let's go on the bottom. Who cares?
Let's go.
Yeah, hurry.
Go to the end.
Hurry. No, you can't go backwards, you gotta go forward. Daddy went up.
But it's so weird to look out here below the platform.
Yeah, I know, because I've written like bedrooms on the lower level of the Superliner. You pull up to the station, you pull up to a single level car, you're looking at the bottom of the window.
No, coming this way, we don't go that way, we go this way.
Yeah, we'll read it together. No, I have a pencil for you.
So, Mom, already got it. Okay, read about it. Thanks.
Do they have one of those here?
I don't think so.
Hey, Dad, look. Pickles.
I was hoping they would have one.
No, let's take a couple.
Unfortunately, I don't think you can get one in around.
Thank you. Come back for a second. Ooh, look. Look at this. Yeah. No, this is SEPTA.
I know, I said that, so it looks like it's over there.
Yeah. This just looked like one of the Comic One cars in Wickening.
Yeah?
Yeah. Want to sit down one of them?
No.
Yeah. Yeah,
Why
look.
not? Come on.
Nice seats. They are very nice seats, though. Oh.
Welcome aboard. So this car and the next car, same age. The next car, however, was just refurbished on the interior, so it looks like it's a new car. You get that new car smell for it. Much lower
Oh, you can buy that at the auto parts store.
Oh, it smells new too. That's because it's new, Mel, when they made all the seats on the floor and everything in there. Keep going.
Oh,